G'day guys, it's Brock here from Window Cleaning World. This video we're going to talk about the Louvre rinse kit and the cutter that we've designed in-house to cut the tubing that you receive in the kit. So what you do get is the 3D printed slot cutter for the Louvre rinse tube, length of this red tube, and the 12mm to 8mm push fit connector. So we designed these specifically to cut a nice parallel, two nice parallel cuts through the tube, because if you try to do it by hand it can be quite tricky. We also designed it to hold the 1-inch razor blades quite securely in here, so you can carefully put those in there. These will come pre-assembled. Kind of just push them in like that, and there's a little bit of the razor blade left over, so you can always get some pliers and pull them out, but they're designed to stay in there nice and tight so they don't fall out and accidentally cut someone. And it's quite simple. You just get the pipe, and the way we like to do it, the curve of the pipe sort of runs like that instead of, you know, straight on like that. We do it that way. It's a bit easier to use it when you're rinsing the louvers, and it takes a little bit of force, but once you've got it in there, push it down, and then you can hold it here and pull it out, and you're left with two nice parallel cuts. And then you just need to take another nice sharp blade and then very carefully cut out the excess. Just take your time doing this, because with a sharp blade you can go through the tube pretty easily. There we go. Now these kits will be sent out and the tube will be cut for you already. They'll basically come assembled. We haven't added any taps or anything to the kit. We've sort of left that up to you guys. If you want to have a tap, you know, at the end here, you can add that in. It's all 8mm push fit. A lot of you guys already have taps with your pole hose kits. So yeah, you just push that fitting on. And there you have it. That's your Louvre rinse kit. And we'll have another video up shortly showing how you can rinse louvers with it. Cheers guys.